Hello guys, welcome to another video. In my last video, I had shown you that how can you install the Google Play Store in Windows 11. If you never saw that video, I have given the link of that video in my description. In this video, I'll show you how you can install the APK file directly in your WSA. It would be like, double-click on the APK file, and you will get an option to install. So, without any further ado, let's get started. For installing APK files on your WSA, you need to make sure that the developer mode in your WSA is enabled. To do that, open the Windows subsystem for Android setting from the Start menu. Under the Developer tab, you will find this developer mode. Make sure to turn this on. Now you have to install software that allows you to install APK files directly into your WSA. For that, open any web browser, search for WSA Pacman, and hit enter. Go to the first website. Now here you can see the releases option, click on it. Now download the latest WSA Pacman installer from here. After the download got finished, open up the file location. Double-click on the file to open it. It will ask for the administrator's permission, choose yes. Now install this software on your computer by clicking Next, 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 and then Install. After that, open any Android app from the Start menu to start WSA. I'm opening the Play Store here. Now let's try to install an APK file. Here I have a WhatsApp APK downloaded. Let's double-click. And here you go, you have an install option to install it. After installing it, you can easily open it from the Start menu. This was how you can install APK file on WSA. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also set the bell icon to all. If you have any doubt, do comments down, I'll reply to you definitely. I'll meet you in another interesting video. For till, bye bye.